Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well and staying on your journey. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell option so you're notified when all my new videos are published. Sharing my channel, posting my recipes and tagging me, commenting, liking is so important. Remember my group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, for extra support and motivation. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about one of my favorite all-time gadgets, the rock grill. So I'm going to show you one of my all-time favorite gadgets, and I am a gadget girl. I don't like big gadgets, but I love ones that you can use and that are versatile, all right, and don't take up a ton of space. So started. So I just bought a new one. It's called the Rock Plus. I got it at Costco. It was on sale, but it's usually only about $30. You can see it's a nice size, and I'm using it today to fry up some onions. And I just use a little bit of cooking spray, and I've just cut up a bunch of veggies because I'm making tacos, and you know, it's just amazing, and you can add your favorite spices to them depending on what you're making. If you're making, you know, one of my quiches or frittatas or anything, my burgers. And it's so versatile because on one side you can see that there are these nice grooves, okay? And then on the other side, it's absolutely flat. So I make my burgers, I make my chicken, I make my veggies, I make pancakes. You can use it for eggs, potatoes, and you can also put it in your oven. So I just like to spray it lightly with some cooking spray, and that's it. It's just amazing. You can put sausage, bacon on it, whatever you want. And it doesn't take a lot of time, and it's just really easy. And it's thin, so you know it's easy to put in your cupboards, or I just stick it beside my microwave on the side. And one of my favorite gadgets. So a lot of people ask me, Risa, what's that rock grill all about? So, and then I just carefully watch what I'm cooking here because, and you can see, you know, when you stir fry vegetables or just cook them up like this, it adds so much flavor. And with onions and mushrooms, you can actually freeze it and use it for lots of my recipes, okay? And again, any kind of vegetable. This is just what I'm using tonight, and I love variety of colors because it just makes your food pop, and just for variety and texture. So I hope you love this recipe. This video, here I am again. Honestly, I absolutely love it, and I just bought an extra one so that I can make lots of stuff. And if you're having company, it just takes no time. You can use it all year round, so you don't have to worry about barbecuing, and you get amazing flavor from this as well. All right, so I hope you love this video. I hope it helps you. I don't make any money on advertising for the Rock Grill, the Rock Plus Grill, never mind. But I just wanted to share with you guys some of the gadgets, and you can check my YouTube for other gadgets that I love to use as well, all right? So don't forget to tell me what you think. Comment below. If you've used it for any of my recipes, tag me. I want to hear about it. And love you guys. Take care. Be well. Stay healthy. Mwah. Bye for now.